a bright and cheerful call. Merry Christmas to you all, with a bright and cheerful call. Hi-ho, let it ring and echo ring. Hi-ho. Merry Christmas to you all. 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 Hi-ho, hi-ho. Let it ring and echo ring. Merry Christmas to you all. 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 Hi-ho, hi-ho. Let it ring and echo ring. Hi-ho. Merry Christmas to you all.
Welcome everyone, my name is Josie Hannes, and I would like to thank you all for being here for the holiday lighting dedication ceremony. This has been a favorite tradition of Fairfield, loved by children and adults alike. We are blessed to have a beautiful Central Park that truly comes to life with holiday decorations and lights, something to be enjoyed by all. As you all know, none of this would be possible without the efforts of many people. We need to thank the City of Fairfield crews for their hard work year after year of caring for and putting up the holiday lights and decor. The Fairfield Parks and Recreation Department for providing the sound system and always keeping our Central Park looking great. I trust you all enjoyed the caroling by the Fairfield High School choir members and FHS alumni under the direction of Zach Ryder. Thank you all so much for adding a magical sound to the lighting ceremony. Thank you to the Chamber Christmas Holiday Committee, Debbie Davis, Jenny Hughes, Tammy Dunbar, Lori Vaughn, Mark Simpson, Melanie Lisk, Nancy Morrissey, Lindsay McMartin, and myself. Tonight, enjoy the spirit of the season with a horse-drawn wagon ride around the Fairfield Square until 8 p.m. Thank you to the Lions Club for supporting these rides. Thank you to Eddie Spees for being our driver. If you are all cold and shivering, Celtec is serving hot cocoa and apple cider until 7 p.m. to keep us all warm. Thank you, Celtec. A special thank you to Darren Hamilton for his involvement with our holiday events over the years. He is truly a jolly old soul. A special thank you to the many Fairfield merchants who are open until 7 p.m. this evening. Remember to shop local. I didn't know this, but I heard that O'Grady Cleaners cleans Santa's suit. A big thank you to them for keeping him looking his best. Now, speaking of Santa, kids, guess who is coming to our town tonight? Santa! Yeah, Santa Claus. And did you know that the Fairfield police are giving him a special private escort? Santa needs to know what you want for Christmas, so make sure that you go to the candy cane house after the lights are turned on. I bet Santa's elves are going to be very busy this year. I'm sure Fairfield doesn't have any naughty kids, do we? I have a few announcements to make. The Fairfield Lions Club will be hosting their 10th annual soup, sandwich, and dessert fundraiser from 5 to 7:30 p.m. at the Fairfield Senior Citizen Center. This will be a free will offering with the proceeds going to the African Violet Foundation. There will be a live auction at 6:30 p.m. There will be a live nativity scene in the gazebo at the First Christian Church, Disciples of Christ, located at 1905 South Main Street from 6 to 8 p.m. Listen to the narration of the Christmas story with music, live animals, and performers, and the admission is free. Now it's time to get to our lighting dedication honorees. Every year we ask a special person or group that truly shows the holiday spirit to flip the switch that turns on all of our holiday lights. Tonight we honor a group of young Fairfield citizens who have participated in many community service projects, including caroling at nursing homes, purchasing and donating hats and mittens for kids in need, buying Christmas gifts for children off the mitten tree at Walmart, as well as many projects at Oakland Mills Nature Center in Mount Pleasant, including assisting with night hikes, Easter egg hunts, and night at the museum activities for the public. Several girls have earned bronze and/or silver awards, very prestigious awards for their efforts. We selected them for this special recognition to highlight something very special that they have done that is enjoyed by so many of us during the holiday season. We want to thank them for their renovation and beautiful decoration of our holiday nativity scene. So, Tonight we honor our local Girl Scout troop, 9281, and all they do for our community. I would like to ask them to come forward as I call their names. Alex Weiss. Kylie Martin. Hannah Clubb. Bailey Bird. Emma Clubb. Allison Horan. Taylor Blumey. Carly Smith. And Addison Terrence. Okay, I think these girls deserve a big round of applause. Thank you, girls. And we know that they have to have leaders, and Brandy Patton and Beth Clubb are their leaders. Brandy, will you come forward? Okay, so real quickly, do you girls want to sing Rudolph? Okay, ready? Brandy, if you want to go over there. Okay. All right, you ready? Rudolph.
The red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny
The whole crowd needs to join in.
And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed. All of the other reindeers used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in the reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Yippee! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
We cheerful call. Merry Christmas to you all with a bright and cheerful call. Hi-ho, let it ring and echo ring. Hi-ho, Merry Christmas to you all. 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 Hi-ho, hi-ho, let it ring and echo ring. Merry Christmas to you all. Merry Christmas to you all. Merry Christmas to you all. Merry Christmas to you all.